If you're looking for a new activity to do with your friends or simply want to be creative, the Rug Room is your answer. Located in American Fork, this new rug tufting workshop lets you design your very own custom rug, and our Studio 5 team of producers went to experience it for ourselves.
We're at the Rug Room right now. It's a create your own rug tufting workshop. So you have the tufting gun and kind of choose your design and then just go through and bring it to life, like through that whole tufting process. From start to finish, it's kind of for anybody that's never seen any of this before. It includes a little bit of instructional time, drawing out your design, putting it on, and then learning how to use the tufting gun and going through and actually bringing it to life. So you end up walking out with a completed rug with the whole design, and almost always it looks awesome. I got the idea off of TikTok. So I just saw it one day and I was like, this actually looks really plausible and it would fit perfect in Utah. There's so many different niche crafts and kind of make your own places. So I figured it would fit perfectly right in and it would be fun to add to the community. So I want to create kind of just a really fun, wholesome activity. I know a lot of people that come in, they're super excited. They've seen the TikToks like I did, or they've wanted to try it out, or it's just something completely new that they want to try. And so I want to make it just a really fun, exhilarating, just kind of like group, or kind of where you come in with your friends or dates or kind of anything like that, where it's kind of getting out of normal life and being able to have a fun time for a little bit and being able to experience your creative side. We have actually had a lot of people come in for dates because we have it set right now where two people can make a rug together if they want, or if they're feeling extra crafty, they can both make their own and kind of compare how it turns out at the end.
When I first started out, I was feeling a little nervous, like maybe I was the person in the group that just wasn't gonna figure it out. But after enough time, you totally start to get the hang of it. And by the end, you just feel like a pro. It was so much fun. The finished product feels so professional. I can't wait to show my husband. This was such a fun girlfriend activity. We came as producers and it was so fun to be together, but you could do this with your friends, your girlfriends, siblings, and just have a fun, great activity together. So easy, so much fun.
Come on, who doesn't just want to go make their own rug? You know, all these women are so creative. I love how every single one, you can kind of tell their personalities through each of it. And of course, my cute Harley, she picked BYU. Of course she did. I wonder if they have any red U's there. I don't know, it's in Utah County, I'll have to see. But anyway, they walk you through the process. They let you pick any design you want and you leave with your own creative work of art. You can learn more about the Rug Room at the Rug Room Utah on Instagram. So fun, thanks for letting us stop by.